Guys, and welcome to another montage probably thing. I haven't edited it yet. Nice. Dean's driving the boat. Sorry I didn't post today at my normal time. I'll do it later. But we're gonna go whale watching. Yeah. Hopefully get some good footage of whales and stuff next year too. So yeah, we'll be back to you when we get to Stallwagon Bank. The Stallwagon Bank. We thought we saw a whale, but it was really a boat wake. So, yeah. But we're out there, we're looking for whales. Keep seeing boat wakes, but we don't know what they are. We think they're boat wakes. That's part of the boat wake again, I think. I think that's part of the boat wake over there. But, we'll be back to you when we find something cool. We found whales next to a whale watching boat, so it's probably where we would find them. See their tails going up every once in a while, or their thing, their chute just. We're gonna canvas for whales. Not recording it.
Oh, really high out of the water.
Remember, if you saw it for just a split second, I can't see what you see, so that might have been amazing, might have been not. I don't know. So, we are about to leave this part and go to a different part to see more whales. So, see you then. Saying hello.
I think he just likes slapping the water.
He's like, it's playtime.
This is slapping the water. It's good. Maybe it likes to high-five the ocean.
It sounds so cool. Hi. Hi.
You sure it's just the water?
Maybe he's like scratching himself or something.
It's a giant paddleboard. Yeah, maybe it's practicing for like the Olympics for whales. You see that open? Yeah. This thing's huge. What is he doing? Is he injured or something? He's coming to check this out. Wow, boss. Oh god. That's like a war cry. Can you see him, right? Yeah, maybe that's it. Way to communicate.
that was cool. I hope you get. I'm in editing. I can't wait to edit this. See what it looks like.